Hi there, welcome to High School Maths, www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. Today we're going to be looking at two-step equations. So we've already looked at a video on one-step equations, and we've looked at kind of the background and how we balance out an equation, and we've got to keep an equation balanced to solve it to find the variable. Most commonly, and what we're going to stick to here, the variable will be x, but it can be any letter. So let's start and have a look at these questions. So for the first one, we've got 2x plus 5 equals 13. So what we want to do is we want to try and isolate the x term. So we want to get the 2x term on its own on this side of the equation. Now to do that, what we don't want is the plus 5. So we're going to balance the equation by taking away 5 from this side and taking away 5 from this side. Now if we do that properly, that leaves a 2x here. Not doing anything with the algebraic terms, we're just taking away 5 from the number on each side. 5 take away 5 is 0, equals sign in the middle. 13 take away 5 is 8, so we end up with a much simpler one-step equation. So we're kind of gradually whittling it down until we actually get to our final answer. Now this isn't our final answer. We have got the x term on its own, but we're just looking for x explicitly. So if 2x equals 8, then we saw last time, we divide both sides by 2, which is the opposite of multiplying by 2, and that gives us x equals 4. Okay, so let's have a look at another one. So same idea here, we've got a minus sign with the minus 2. We want to get the 4x term on its own, so we're going to add 2 this time. So the opposite of the minus 2 is add 2, and that should cancel out, leaving us just the 4x on the left hand side. 9 is 2 plus 2, that's 0. 10 add 2 is 12. So we get 4x equals 12, and at this stage, because we have 4x, we're going to divide both sides by 4. So divide by 4 and divide by 4. 4x divided by 4 would just be 1x, or x. 12 divided by 4 is 3, so we end up with x equals 3. And for the final one, same idea as the first one, just bigger numbers. So we're going to take away 7 from both sides first of all, so we can isolate that 5x term. So 5x on its own, 7 take away 7 is 0. Plus 7 minus 7 cancels out. 42 take away 7 would be 35, and then we're left with 5x equals 35, so we're going to divide both sides by 5, and that will give us our final solution, x equals 7. Okay, so that's how you solve basic two-step equations. Now once we start adding more terms into the equations, they can take on different formats, they can get a little bit more complicated. We're going to stick with this kind of format just now, which is quite a common one, and we'll gradually build up to other formats and other kind of ways or strategies we could use to balance out an equation to solve to find the missing variable. Hopefully you found that useful. For other maths videos and resources, please visit www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. If you did like the video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe, and please remember and share the video. Thanks for watching, and have a mathemagical day.